Got studio, Atlantic City. Been going for a minute.
You got it.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah,
That's what it is.
let's get it. Ready?
I've been a mess since the moment you left. I can't even get no rest. I got my mind on the stress. I'm low-key, suicidal at best. I'm low-key, suicidal, I guess. The world's closing in, blinkers start. Feel the cold up in your skin. Hang the noose right, I wanna be the ceiling fan. Fuck, that's cold. Hey yo, brother, fuck, that's cold. I got that new style, leave your brain futile. Coming with the new smile, it's all me. Cause you weren't helping me change, so I pick up the beat. JD, he be helping me breathe. And I'm not talking about that drink, yo. I'm talking about the beats that make the soul go, soul go.
I keep it twisted like I'm all before an orphanage. I'm sure of this, the gory story I tell to the orphan kids I'm walking, distorting the path that's forking all covered in glass. I'm bored of this, best to find some light before the morning hits. He's bleeding, can't seem to see a reason for breathing. He's covered from the head to toe, I'm guessing murder's the season. He's gasping, he's heaving, looking up and laughing and screaming, pleading. I'm begging you to stop whilst I'm exposing his famous, the realest of dreams. Too bad he wasn't ready and prepped. The shadow of a man who was slept and jarred up and kept. Afar from barking, all he heard was my breath. Afar from barking, all he heard was my breath. Fuck.